In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images in Microsoft Word. If you have a picture in your Microsoft Word document and want to make changes to its appearance, Word provides several built-in picture editing tools that you can use directly inside the document. These tools can help you crop, resize, adjust, and format your image without needing a separate program. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to edit an image. If you don't already have a picture in the document, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Click Pictures, choose This Device, then locate the picture you want to use on your computer. Select the picture and click Insert. Once the picture appears in your document, click on it. This will display the Picture Format tab at the top of the Word window. The Picture Format tab contains several options for editing and adjusting your image. To resize the picture, click and drag one of the corner handles around the image. Drag a corner inward to make the picture smaller or outward to make it larger. Using the corner handles helps keep the picture's proportions. You can also use the size options on the Picture Format tab if you want to adjust the height and width of the image more precisely. Next, you can crop the picture. Click Crop on the Picture Format tab. Handles will appear around the image. Drag the crop handles to remove unwanted areas of the picture. When you're satisfied with the crop, click outside the picture to apply it. You can also adjust how the picture interacts with the text in your document. Click Wrap Text and choose an option that matches the layout you want. For example, you can use Square to allow the text to flow around the picture, or Behind Text to place the image behind your text. Microsoft Word also provides picture styles that can quickly change the appearance of your image. In the Picture Styles section, you can choose different borders, shapes, and visual effects. You can also use the Picture Effects option to apply effects such as shadows, reflections, or other available styles. If you want to make additional visual adjustments, explore the Adjust section. Depending on your version of Word, you may find options for corrections, color, and artistic effects. After making your changes, review the picture and the surrounding content to make sure everything is positioned correctly. If you make a change that you don't want, you can use the Undo option to return to the previous state. And that's how you can edit images in Microsoft Word using the built-in picture format tools. With these options, you can resize, crop, position, and adjust the appearance of pictures directly inside your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,